Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this Navratri special Garba makeup look, which is very easy and simple to recreate this look. And also I have used affordable products in this look. So if you like this video, so hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to it right now. So let's begin with the tutorial. So now I'm going to use this Vaseline petroleum jelly as primer and to moisturize my face. So now I'm going to use this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline in shade 25 medium, and I'm going to conceal my dark areas like under my eyes and over my eyelids. And I'm going to blend this concealer with help of my fingertips. And now I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in shade 330, and I'm applying all over my face and also on my neck area, and I'll be blending again this with my fingertips. So after applying foundation, I'll set my foundation with help of this compressed powder from Blue Heaven in shade Natural 4. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use this brown shade from the Cameleon palette, as it gives my eyebrows a natural look. So now I'm using this iconic Kajal from Lakmé and applying it on my waterline. So now I'm selecting this black shade from Maybelline Nudes palette and applying it on my lower lash line, and also trying to smudge a little bit of kajal with it to create a smoky look. Using this Hypercurl waterproof mascara from Maybelline and applying it on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Selecting this shade from the Bowlish eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using it as my blush. So from the same nudes palette, I'm selecting this shimmery shade, and I will highlight my brow bone and my cheekbone. For my lips, I'm using this Aries Pro Cosmetic Matte Me Lipstick in shade 422. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.